The office buzzes with focused activity, a symphony of keyboards and hushed phone calls filling the air. Suddenly, the door is thrown open, shattering the calm with a thunderous bang. Kid Boss strides in, his oversized sunglasses slipping down his nose, a bright red cape billowing behind him. He swaggers forward, overflowing with unexpected confidence as he announces, "Morning team, I run this place now." Bewilderment ripples through the office as employee 1 whispers in disbelief, Did he just say he runs this place? Employee 2, equally stunned, murmurs, "I think we need more coffee." In the office, Kid Boss, perched precariously on a spinning chair, declares, announcing new company policies: nap time every 30 minutes, pizza every hour. Bewilderment ripples through the room as employees scramble to scribble notes, their faces a mix of confusion and amusement. Employee 1 questions the new decree. Nap time during work hours? A chorus of reactions erupts as employee 2 voices concern. Pizza? I just had a salad. Pickles, the stuffed bear assistant, nods in solemn agreement, a silent endorsement of the whimsical agenda. The meeting room buzzes with a surreal energy, a blend of corporate formality and childlike fantasy. The office floor transforms into a playground of playful anarchy, littered with cookie crumbs and soaring paper airplanes. Kid Boss surveys the delightful mayhem, torn between pride and a creeping sense of disorder. In a whimsical slow motion, employees engage in awkward dances and gleefully hurl paper, celebrating the moment with abandon. Employee 1, sporting a marker mustache, embodies the spirit of playful rebellion. A contemplative pause as Kid Boss acknowledges the situation. This may have gotten out of hand. The controlled chaos continues, a testament to a day when the ordinary was joyfully overthrown.